Good afternoon, MMTs. 1:25 p.m., 7/24/2013. Here is another big bellwether that identical. Okay, we shot it right up here to 42, and we got net short. We're trading down here at 39 now. So the open was 42.54. They reported their quarterly earnings. One thing about the quarterly earnings, MMT, it's all about taken the 3 month course on how to trade earnings reports. Learn the stock fundamentals. Get signed up right now. You can make a ton of money when you get short up here. As all the MMTs know, when it drops down here, you're making a lot of money. So basically, on the knee jerk reaction, they shot it up right here. It didn't go very high compared to the close. The high, I mean, to the close, but the high was only 43. It didn't even really get above it. So this is a 10-minute. Here's what happened on a 5-minute level. It shot straight up and then it sold right down. And why is that? We were telling everyone in our previews now, before the fact, was to get short that name. Some of the restaurants like McDonald's, there was a few others like Panera Bread that was down over $15 today, PNRA. Look, we have a soft economy right now, and if these restaurant stocks aren't doing it, then that means that the consumer is having challenging moments right now in our economy. Because if they're not going out to Cheesecake Factory, I eat over there all the time. I think it's great. But once again, the preliminary number was 54 cents versus 57 cents Capital IQ consensus estimates. Here's the thing. Revs are 470.1 million versus 473.56 million. So they missed on the revenue side. And you can make money when they fall. But we'll be looking at Cheesecake Factory, and here's another one that we can put in here on an earnings play, Panera Bread. This is the leader. They have done so well over time. I mean, it was a great trade to hold for a while. They got up there, but when Panera Bread drops like it did, I'll just show you the daily chart. They reported yesterday after the close, and we wanted to talk about how they went from 192 down here to 166. We bought dips on Panera on these lows down here. That was a big sell down from the close of 182. It got on sale. This here is a daily chart, and the thing about it is it went below the 200-day moving average and that's at 171.3. So Panera Bread isn't faring well from its earnings. Cheesecake Factory, the feature for today, it's not faring well for its earnings. That means that not all restaurant stocks are doing bad. Chipotle Mexican Grill did okay, the names in the sector, and there's a couple few others. But some of these bigger ones, the bigger franchise ones here, the bigger they are, well, it tells us that Cheesecake Factory, it's a very nice restaurant, and lots of people in our class, we go there to eat because we enjoy it. And if they're not beating their earnings, then that means that the consumer is spending less. And restaurant stocks, retail will be the same way.